Hi everybody, today we are going to make spaghetti and impossible meat sauce. Let's get to it. So, I got some impossible meat. If you haven't tried it, it is really delicious. It's plant-based and vegan, and it's very convenient because I can order it from Imperfect Foods with the rest of my produce I get every week. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it into my Instant Pot and I'm going to saute it. Now, if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can just saute this in your frying pan. And then I added some green onion from my food scrap garden. Link below if you want to learn how to start a food scrap garden. Then I added garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons. Just continue to stir it every so often. And, oh no, we have a problem. The Instant Pot is blinking the word hot. Don't panic. That is just your Instant Pot telling you that you're gonna burn dinner if you don't add some liquid. So, just add a little bit of water or vegetable broth. You can add a little more periodically as it gets dry or if it says hot again. Now I'm adding in my pasta sauce. And then I'm going to add some basil and oregano from my herb garden. And I'm just going to keep that on warm until I'm ready to serve. Now, what are we going to put this on? We're going to put this on whole wheat pasta today, and I want to show you a trick for how you can break your noodles without getting all over the place. Did you see that? Did you see how easy that was? Yeah, I learned that. I wish I would have known it a lot sooner because I have made some big messes with noodles. So, but now we know that trick. We're boiling. I'm sure you probably all know how to make noodles, but if not, the directions are on the back of the box. So we did it. Delicious, plant-based, vegan spaghetti meat sauce. You can put it on pasta, you can put it on a lasagna, and you can put it on spaghetti squash. I'm going to have a recipe for both the spaghetti squash and the lasagna. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Have a great day.